Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your warranty is probably void, not because you broke anything, but because your operational procedures triggered a loophole in your O&M contract. Scenario: SCADA flagged inverter operating 2 degrees above manufacturer specs. You reset the SCADA threshold to prevent warnings. Normal operational decision. But to your contractor's legal team, deviation from normal operating conditions. Warranty exclusion triggered. If that inverter fails, they won't cover it. The fix? Understanding which operational adjustments void warranties. Today I'm revealing the 7 loopholes in standard SolarO&M contracts. Standard O&M contracts define warranty coverage narrowly. Covers defects in equipment and workmanship under normal operating conditions. Normal operating conditions is vaguely defined. This creates liability landmines. Examples: 1. Adjusting SCADA thresholds without authorization equals deviation. 2. Implementing third-party monitoring systems equals unapproved changes. 3. Modifying inverter firmware equals warranty voidance. 4. Exceeding ambient temperature thresholds equals operational constraint violation. 5. Using non-approved spare parts equals warranty exclusion. 6. Conducting test beyond standard operating range equals warranty void. 7. Implementing emergency procedures without prior approval equals deviation. Each of these can trigger warranty exclusion with a single action, and most operators don't know they're doing it. You're thinking, standard contracts are fair. If we violate them, we should lose warranty. But that's naive. Contractors write contracts to their advantage. Normal operating conditions is intentionally vague. This creates plausible deniability when they deny claims. You implement a reasonable operational change. 2 years later, the equipment fails. Contractor claims your change voided warranty. You have no legal ground to stand on because the contract was ambiguous. Here's how to protect yourself. Step 1. Get your O&M contract reviewed by a solar energy attorney, not a general attorney. They know the industry loopholes. Step 2. Add specific language defining normal operating conditions, e.g., includes all standard SCADA threshold adjustments, third-party monitoring integration, and approved firmware updates. Step 3. Get pre-approval for any planned operational changes. Don't just do them. Document contractor approval. Step 4. Maintain detailed logs of all modifications, adjustments, and changes. Prove you had valid reason and contractor approval. Step 5. Require contractor to provide written warranty status after each maintenance visit. Warranty remains in full force, or the following actions triggered warranty exclusion. This forces transparency. We've covered the 7 common warranty loopholes and how contractors use ambiguous contract language to deny valid claims. The fix is specificity and documentation. Your warranty is probably void for something you did innocently. Changing SCADA thresholds, installing monitoring systems, modifying firmware, all seem normal. All can be claimed as warranty voidance. Schedule a free O&M warranty loophole audit. We'll review your contract, identify all warranty risk areas, and provide redlined language that protects you. Most operators find 3 to 7 loopholes that put them at financial risk. Closing these loopholes can save you $500,000 to $2 million when, not if, equipment fails. Book your audit. First 20 operators get a detailed contract risk analysis. Your O&M contract probably has 5 to 7 warranty loopholes you accidentally trigger through normal operations. Changing SCADA thresholds, installing monitoring, modifying firmware, all can void warranty. Here's how contractors hide this in ambiguous language. Take action now. Schedule your free O&M warranty loophole audit. Contract review plus risk analysis plus protective language. Loophole identification. Risk quantification. Redlined protective language. Warranty safeguards. $500,000 to $2 million risk protection. Book today. First 20 operators get detailed risk analysis. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.